We break up because she don't like teddy bear again. Teddy bear I buy for her, she go sell her and go play bets. You and your babe go to discuss bets, 2 odds, go. And since when they release since when this bet news come outside, where they give shop prediction for Telegram channel, ever since then, this girl they like all these cute things where girls they like. Normal human being, normal girl. She be if cockroach pass, she supposed shout, oh my god, she was fear. This one they use her hand kick cockroach. And they tell you she know they fear pets. Ever since that bet fuse, that Telegram channel come outside, she know they romantic again. She know they like teddy bear. She know like flower. If you buy a flower, she go sell and go use and play bets because bet fuse they give and show out.
You say start to the
Hi.
Yeah, I say hello, you say hello. I swear to God, I don't catch my guys.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you so much. God bless you. Why you standing under the sun? The sun is gonna burn your skin.
My driver just cancelled, so I'm trying to book another ride, but it's like the network around here is very bad.
Yeah, the network ain't so good. So can I just give you a ride?
Thank you so much, but actually, I don't enter in people's car that I don't know.
No, trust me, you have to trust me. We are good people, trust me.
And honestly, I don't want to stress you.
No, don't worry, we are good. Are we not good? We are fine. Trust me, you're gonna like us.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Sure,
Yes.
perfect.
Okay.
I don't get passport, I don't get mark, I don't pick. Go down. Come on for motor, go and meet your thing they work with this.
Because woman
Come on for now woman with this man.
I should sit it.
Yes, you can come and sit for in the front passport. Sure.
How should I be saying man go back?
Okay, the Chris.
Are you sure it's okay for you if I...
No, it's perfect. You love to sit at the back.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So what's your name again?
My name is Sunday. You can call me Sunny. Everyone calls
I
me
can call you
Sunny.
Sonny.
Jesus.
Your name is Sunday.
Yes.
Everyone call you Sonny.
Yes.
Come on, dance at Sunday.
Listen now, all this Oyibo name. Like, no Oyibo they answer anything. Maybe no be Sunday, maybe na Sunday.
Days. Okay, maybe not be Sunday, maybe Sunday.
Sunday.
Sunny.
Yeah.
Sunday. Like Sunny for sure.
Sunday, yes.
Okay, cool. Great. I love that. So where are you going?
I'm going to Ladikbo.
What be this? Jesus.
You're going to Ladikbo.
Yes.
Come on, they go Ladikbo.
You know, so this Oyibo, they like tourism. They want to explore.
Okay. You don't want just like take like photo, like
Yes.
coverage, like documentary.
Yeah, go notice. Yes.
Oh, wow, you love Ladipo so much.
And
This motor don't start that thing again.
what is this?
So I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay.
I don't know where to stop. God have mercy. Sorry, just a minute, please. A minute.
Okay.
Sorry, Oyibo, trust me, I'm sorry. I sincerely apologize. Oh, God, my green paper don't come now. This motor won't be. Don't tell my God, they service this motor. You know good. I'm so sorry. Trust me, I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. Trust me.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
I'm gonna.
It's the foil pump. What? The foil is not entering the carburetor.
Jesus.
I need a plier.
Okay, let me bring plier.
You?
Say na eyes dey pay me and they waiting me this.
I'm coming. She get plier. She carry plier from her bag.
She carry plier.
Yeah.
And maybe not just props now. You know, so this Oyibo, then they like
Props. Okay, so you both they like to explore. Okay, I feel like props.
Yes.
Okay.
I need 2x2.
Okay, let me go and bring it.
You?
Waiting be this. Jesus.
She carry 2x2.
And na still props now.
No problem.
For acting, Oyibo they always like
act as Oyibo people they like to explore.
Yes.
Okay, you've gotten 2x2.
Yes, but I need a hammer. And I
Let me
don't...
get. I think I have a mind.
You?
Don't abrir uma
She carry hammer
And
from her breast.
she put her for breast.
Yes.
Eh, na Halloween, na Halloween costume na.
Halloween. Okay, now you make a put hammer for breast.
All these Oyibo, they like Halloween.
Okay, that time when you sit down for front, hammer been there breast.
What?
Na Halloween. Okay, now so you put the put hammer for breast for Halloween.
Jesus.
She dey suck for.
She suck fuel.
She dey suck for.
Just they play. They play. They play.
Son no be son yo. Son na oga son yo.
Now gas on you.
Leave am.
Oyana, help me start the car, beg.
Who be this one? I'm blocking Papa.
Don't start. Move they go. Everywhere good. Please open the door.
Oga Sonny, thank you.
Oga Sonny, thank you.
Now where people will be people be this?
This one are ungrateful people, oh. So nothing for the girl. Oh no, you not show love, oh.
Did you bring me from Costa Rica? I'm Rabba.